weeks of rain had left the back roads of BC's northern interior in rough shape.
This is really muddy. I think the camera's gonna stay on the dash. I think it's gonna wander like it is now. Oh boy. Bump, bump, bump. I gotta get up this hill. Pretty steep. Nobody is coming. There's a spot there. There's a spot here. I like this one. Yeah, this is nice and bright. That's the one I want. I gotta back into it though. Driving's fun, especially with a trailer. Oh my God. Oh, that's disgusting. A face only a mudder could love. It's like I just spray painted everything brownish gray. Oh my God. However, the view is fantastic.
It was a small lake just north of Mackenzie, and it looked like I had it all to myself. But first I had to unhitch. From under the mud flap came a local to greet me. Where the mud was still wet, I might be able to just rinse off, but the rest will have to wait.
These mosquitoes are gonna drive me insane.
Yep, that second welcoming committee came out in droves. Time to seek shelter in the trailer for lunch. That new griddle was put to good use. A couple of grilled cheese sandwiches. With my favorite spice, ketchup. Even my little furry friend enjoyed lunch, until a crow crashed the party.
I just had a shower and was cleaning the side of the trailer with my wash water by hand when I realized I have a pressure washer. The shower pump is a pressure washer. All I had to do was get some water from the lake, bring it up, hook up the hose, and I can clean my trailer. the easy way. I'm going to do that.
This is also a good time to show you my awesome little trail with a view. The water was very clear and was teeming with trout spawn.
That's good enough. So the original pump came with about 20 feet of hose and the power washer end. I just used another hose and a shower head. So in theory, here it comes. Okay, any more power out of that? Oh yeah, look at that. But when I speed up the video, I turn into a mosquito. Well, there was a little scrubbing you had to do. It didn't just clean it off by itself. There's not a lot of pressure in here, but there's enough. Much better.
With the Jeep set free, it was time for some backroading. Nothing like narrow trails to brush the dirt off the sides. The marsh on the sign looked promising. And yes, I did figure a marsh area might be wet. Do you see the duck to the right of the rock? Except that's not a rock. And Big Daddy Bull Moose was not far away.
You looking at me?
Time for a tiny little bit of foraging. These blueberries are going to look great in my morning pancakes. But the bugs were a little intense, so time to swamp back to camp.
You know, part of the camping etiquette is to always leave your campground in better shape than you found it, which is really a polite way of saying clean up after the slob that was there before you. Found a few things. Lots of rope for some reason. There's always somebody who wants to dangle a rope off trees. A dog leash, some kind of kid's toy, and some washers, which actually might come in handy. But most of the time I'm cleaning up, there's always something that's a little vile and disgusting. And this time it's right in here. Isn't that just a fancy way of saying ginger ale?
The rainy season had done wonders on the local flora, so a humid walk through the forest floor was also in order. I found a few trolls under a log, and it wouldn't seem right to have a toadstool without the toad. Some club moss and ferns make the fairy tale complete. The wonders of the forest are as vast as your imagination. I could spend hours here, and sometimes do, but today was just a short visit with an old friend. But back at the lake came that familiar haunting cry. Mesmerized by the loons, I almost missed another swimmer.
A nice day. Walk in the woods, walk in a marsh. Grilled cheese sandwich. I didn't share my dinner because it was just spaghetti and tomato sauce. That was kind of boring. But the time has come to relax and have a real beer. Nothing light. The can's light colored, I guess if that counts. Oh, that's good. This is an Edmonton beer, by the way. All malt lager, 5.3%, which to me is light. I know it's a major offense to drink an Alberta beer in BC, but I gotta get rid of it. I'm going to try some BC beer, for sure, but I'm not throwing my Alberta beer out, thank you. It'll be disposed of appropriately. Oh yeah.
I know some of you prefer the organic sounds of nature, but sometimes a little mood music just seems right. After dark, it was just me and a mosquito serenade. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please check out my others as well.